record. We download first. It doesn't look very clear to me. Let's see. How they block Zoom?
I don't know. They have this mobile guardian thing, and then suddenly, right? My friend already told me that like it won't work because they had to join a Zoom meeting, and then like I tried it, and it couldn't work.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. Okay, never mind. Bye. Can you see the question? It's a bit unclear.
Yeah.
It's a bit unclear. But okay, let's try our best. So over here, right? Over here, they give you a fraction. Can you see the question?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Very unclear. Do you agree? Is it a bit unclear?
Yeah.
Okay, so over here it says you are given a fraction which is 3 and 1/4, right? So this fraction here, your job is to change it to, so basically is, so you pay attention. Tomorrow is your paper 2, so please focus. So given a fraction, and then you are asked to get the percentage out. So this is fraction to percentage. Okay, so fraction to percentage, and then what I observe here is you change the fraction to decimal first, right? Not decimal, decimal. Okay, so the decimal is actually 3.25. Then after that you times the 100%, right? So you times the 100%. Okay, so you times the 100%. 3.25 times 100. So you move the decimal point to the right 2 spaces, right? Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Then after that you get this 325. In fact, you should write 325% here. Okay. Here you write 325%, but the answer here, can you see the percentage sign is already given?
Yeah.
So if the percentage sign is given, you don't have to repeat the percentage sign again. So that's why you just pick the 325 as the answer. So this is the answer. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is you are supposed to write the percentage here with the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but over here the percentage sign is already given, so that's why you don't need to repeat the percentage sign. Okay. Then next, it says he jogged 1.5 kilometers on a certain day, and then the total distance he jogged for the week is 25 kilometers.
25.
Right?
Yeah.
25. So calculate the percentage of week distance by on that day. So how do you find the percentage? Okay. How do you find a percentage? The percentage is always percentage of fraction, right? I think I did this. Whether they ask for percentage or fraction, right? Okay. You remember we did a question last week. I think your this answer is wrong. Your this answer is wrong. Do you know why it's wrong? Because your this question is, so let me get this to the PowerPoint. So you better pay attention for this question, because tomorrow this question can come out again. So you need to know the difference.
Okay.
All right. So here is the question. So over here, right? The question is this. The question is, this guy jogged 1.5 kilometers on that day. Then now the question asks percentage of the week's distance. This is the keyword. What's the percentage of the week's distance? Okay. So what I'm trying to say is, okay, if I just ask you, if I give you 1.5 kilometers, okay, I ask you to change this to percentage. Okay? So basically, if I ask you to change this to percentage, what you do, 1.5 times 100%, right?
Yeah.
Then 1.5 then times 100. So 1.5 times 100 is 150. So this is the answer. If I ask you to change it to percentage, this is the answer, right?
Yeah.
But now the question is, percentage of the weeks. Can you read the question? The weeks distance.
Distance.
The weeks distance. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Percentage of the weeks distance. So that means the question is not asking you for the direct conversion. Okay. The question in fact is asking you this 1.5 out of the weeks distance. Can you see of the weeks distance? Can you see the word the weeks distance here? So the weeks distance is 25 kilometer, right? Over here, ma.
Yeah.
For the week is 25 kilometer. Can you see?
Yeah.
So basically the question wants you to find this 1.5 kilometer of the week distance. So can I ask you, what is the week's distance in this case?
25.
Yeah. So therefore, this is 25. So basically, right, they want you to find out 1.5 kilometer out of this 25 kilometer. What is the percentage? So if you do this, 1.5 divided by 25 times 100%. Can you quickly use your calculator? What do you get? This one.
6.
6 or 6%?
6%.
Okay, 6%. Yeah. Okay. So let me just give you one more question similar to this. So if I say I spend $20 in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay. And I spend $15 in the afternoon. I left $15.
Yes.
So I ask, what is the percentage of money I spent in the morning? Okay. So once again, the question asks for percentage of money, right?
Yeah.
So if they ask percentage of the money, which money they talk about? They talk about the morning one, right? Right?
Yeah.
Which one you pick?
$20.
Yep. So you use $20. But $20, okay. If you just pick $20, do you think the answer is just $20?
No, they say percentage of money spent in the morning.
Yeah. So you cannot just convert $20 to percentage here. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to convert what? Then how you do it? How you do this question? You need to use 20 over what?
Over 100.
100? Where do you have 100? Where do you get 100 from?
$20 over total.
What is the total here?
50.
Yes. 10 times 100%. Okay, what's the answer?
%40.
So can you see? Okay, so this question is $20 over total. Just now the question is 1.5 kilometer over the total. In this case, 25 kilometer is the total, the week total basically. Does it make sense to you now?
Yeah.
So the formula to do this question is, that means if they tell you, oh, what is the percentage of money or distance or sweets, okay, it can be anything. So what you need to do is you always need to take something over the total, then times the 100%. Okay.
Okay.
So just now the money question is 20 because they want morning, so they want morning over the total. Okay, so times 100%. Just now money is 20 over 50 times 100%. Then the distance is, just now the distance is 1.5 kilometer divided by 25 kilometer times 100%.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1.5 is that day. Then this one is the total. Then this one is total. So are you clear now how you should get the percentage now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next. So you need to differentiate the direct conversion and percentage of the total. Understand?
Okay.
Understand or not? Oh, okay, Ken. So since we are talking about the percentage, then what if this question change to, instead of percentage, the question now change this to fraction? What are you going to do if they just want you to find a fraction?
Just the fraction.
Yeah, so you just give them the fraction. There is no times 100%. There is no times 100%. There is no times 100%. Are you looking at the screen?
Yes.
Are you following?
Mm-hmm.
If they want the fraction, what are you going to do?
Just give the fraction.
What fraction you are giving?
The amount of money.
Yeah.
Fraction.
The amount of money. The amount of money is just on top, what? The numerator, what? So you need to take the what's this?
Right. 20 over 50.
Why over 50?
Because that's the total.
Correct. So the formula is
fraction of money.
No. Here. What are you talking about? Study. What's the formula?
Fraction of money over distance over.
This is the question. What are you looking? This is the question. Which one is the formula? Which one is the formula in this slide? On this slide, there are three items, three things. Which one is the formula on this slide? You don't know the formula, you're not going to get it tomorrow. Quick.
The 20 morning and then the 50.
That one is the answer already. That one is the answer already. That one is not the formula. I'm asking for the formula.
Then the one. The red one.
Which one is the red one?
Is the fraction, the total, the one.
Whoa. I cannot hear. What is the formula?
The fraction over the total.
The fraction over the total?
The blank over total. That means the fraction of something.
Yeah, so what's the blank?
Total.
What's the blank?
The 20.
I'm asking you for the formula. So the formula is always
something over the total.
Very good. Repeat.
The formula is always something over the total.
Repeat.
And then the formula is always something over the total.
Yes. So like I say, if they ask for money, the question, you take 20 over the total. If they ask for the distance, you take 1.5 over the total. Okay. Okay. In this case, why I never times 100%?
Because they're asking for the fraction of money.
Very good. Now how come here got times 100%?
This one they're asking for percentage of money.
Very good. So what's the formula?
Something over total times 100%.
No. It's something over 100. Or something over total, sorry.
Something over total times 100%.
That's all. And depends what they ask. Understand? Okay, good. Next. What's the formula?
Something for which one? Percentage or fraction?
Both.
The percentage one is the something over the total times 100%. And then the fraction is something over the total.
Yes, good. Okay, 6x minus 2x plus 4x. This is 8x. You just add them up. Then for this one, yep, underline them. Okay, good. 这里很好. Okay, you must underline them. If you don't underline them, you're going to get it wrong. Measure and write down the angle. Okay, good. So at least I see at least this one looks like an obtuse angle, right?
Yeah.
The obtuse angle must be
more than 90.
Good. So this is very simple. So if you look at this is more than 90. You are supposed to write more than 90 here. Okay. Of course, how you measure is you really need to. Okay, 这里. So this question is also very easy. How do you get 40 here, by the way?
We 40 for y is because the straight line.
I'm asking you how do you get 40? Oh, okay, good. That's easy. Angle on a straight line, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
This one, right? Because you can actually extract it out. They give you 140 here, then this is 40 because angle on a straight line. Then yeah, if this is 40, this is 40. 为什么? 40, this is 40. 为什么? Because it's a alternate
angle.
Yeah, Z. Z. Okay. Then after that, if this is 40, this is 60. So that means these two add to 100. Right? So
yeah,
if you have this, you extract it out. If this is 100, so this is 80. Why? Because angles on a straight line, right?
Yeah.
So how do you get Z here? How do you get Z?
C?
Yes. The C here. 180 minus the 80. So you need to memorize the formula for C, for Z, for F. Understand?
Okay.
可以吗?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Evaluate the following. There is more cross out.
It's not tested.
Oh, okay.
This one is past year paper, so
okay. This is like correct to two significant figures. Wait, this is what's the answer here?
33.
Oh no, what's the question? 2A.
Right, 326,570 correct to two significant figure.
错. this is 326,570. Now you okay, this is what? This is 326,000. And then your answer, how can it be 33? How come you start with 326?
Oh.
So you need to fill it up with
0, 0, 0.
Yes. So this is a very, very common mistake. You start with 300 something, right? 300 something thousand. You must end with 300 something thousand. Understand or not? Okay. So this is a 300 something question. You cannot end with a 33. So you just imagine, we keep talking about this. You have $300. So let's say if you have 326. Okay. If they ask you for one significant figure, okay, significant figure. So what you do? Just look at this, right? Non-zero. Then after that, you look at this whether you add a 0 or you add 1 to it. So in this case, you add 0 or add 1. Look at this. Add 0 or add 1?
0.
Yes. So then you are not going to get 3, right?
Yeah.
Why? Is the answer 3?
Because this is first significant figure.
Yeah. So
first significant figure, the 2 is smaller. 3, 0, 0.
Yes, you feel
0, 0, 0.
In this case, because this is actually a 300 something question, so you need to end with 300. Okay. So in this case, you also need to fill it with 0. How many 0? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit. This is a 6 digit number. So you already have 2 digits already. So you fill it out with 4 more digits. Understand?
Okay.
Very good. Can you focus on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. So rounding each number to one significant figure. One significant figure. So this is 2. Then this is 你这里又错了. This is a 98, right?
Yeah.
98. How can you round to 10? 98. So how you round? One significant figure here, right?
Yeah.
Ask yourself, plus 1 or plus 0?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is?
0. 10.
10. So 98 is how? 98 to 10. You reduce so much, right?
Yeah.
So 98 is closer to what? 100.
100, yeah.
Yeah. So that's why instead of 10, right? Over here should be 100. Then after that, this is one significant figure. 你看，你这个是 one significant figure. 0.324. What is a one significant figure?
0 cannot count, ma.
Yeah lah.
So move to 3.
Yes. So look at this. Then ask yourself, plus 1 or plus 0?
Plus 0.
Yeah, you plus 0. So you end up with?
0.3.
Yes. So 0.3 is the answer. So 0.3.
Oh.
This is 10, right? Can you see this is 10?
Yes.
So 10, how can you get 1?
It's 10.
Yeah, it's 10. So after that, then you just use your calculator and then you just get it. Understand or not? Your significant figure all wrong. You know why you are wrong? They give you 98. You know, in this case, they are testing you what? Do you know or not?
Rounding off. Estimation.
Estimation, but yes, they're testing your estimation, but people give you 3250. They ask you for one significant figure. They ask you for one significant figure. So you just look at this. You ask yourself whether plus 1 or plus 0. In this case, it's plus 0. So in that, you just get 3. But you need to look at the question. The question is 3250. How can you end up with 3? So what you need to do next?
Add the 0 at the back.
Yes. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So add 3.
3, 0.
Okay. So just now the question 10.1. Okay, one significant figure. How do you do one significant figure for this question? You look at this one line here. So add 1 or add 0 in this case.
Add 0.
Add 0. Okay, good. Add 0. So add 0 means nothing. Okay, so it's 1. So this question is what? How many digits?
1. 1.
1 digit. Can you read?
No,
this
they
out?
are two digit.
No, can you read this out? Can you read this out?
10.
10.1. This is what? Again,
10.1.
10.1. How many digits?
3.
How do you count? How many digits?
3, 1, 2, 3.
Over here, 3 digits. So are you going to write 100?
No.
Then?
Because this one is decimal.
Yeah. So how?
Decimal cannot write.
Yeah. Then how?
So it's just 10.
Yes. So what I'm trying to say is, if this question, the question is tens. I don't know. Maybe it can be 20. It can be 300. So you just need to. Your answer must be in the range of tens. If this question is in the range of thousands, so that's why your answer must be in the range of thousands as well. You understand or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I give you so first you need to identify whether the question is. So I give you 998. I give you 950. So this is in the range of hundreds, 3 digits, right? Then I ask you one significant figure. You look at this, right? So you ask yourself whether +1 or +0.
+1.
Yes. So when you +1, this one you get 10 already, right?
Yes.
So what do you do next?
Change the rest to 0.
How many digits you need to change?
2.
Yes. So you end up with. Can you see? It's very clear cut. Can you see or not?
Yeah.
Oh, so just now, all the questions, just they give you 10.1. So one significant figure, ask yourself, +1 or +0. So just now you say +0. So +0, okay, no? 1, and this one all 0. So that's why you end up with 10. Understand or not?
Yeah.
You just need to do it vertically. Okay?
Okay.
Next. 像这题 98. .5. One significant figure, right? Here.
Yeah.
+1 or +0?
+1.
Okay, +1. So after you +1, what do you get?
+1 is 10.
10. So behind, what you need to do?
Behind must put the 0.
0. Okay, good. The 8 to 0. Then the decimal point. Do you need to put decimal point?
No.
Then the 5 you also need to put?
No.
Need to put or don't need to put?
Don't need.
Okay, so when you stop?
We stop at the 8 there.
In this case, it's 8. I don't want stop at 8. So when you stop normally?
The decimal?
Yes. We don't do the decimal. Unless they give you 0.3 something. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? Next. This one, they're trying to mix some the ratio of the amount of syrup to the amount of water is 2 to 5. How much water does he need to mix with 6 liters of syrup? Okay, very good. So now, for this question, you need to do the proportionality. Very good. So amount of syrup to amount of water. Okay, good. Do you think your answer is correct?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. Okay, good. Like, so first thing first, you need to identify the 2 is for what? The 2 is for syrup. Okay?
Yeah.
And the 5 here is for the water. Okay? So you write it down, yes, 2 to 5. So the best practice is write down, this is for syrup. I mean, write down for you to see, not for the teacher to see. 5 is water. So now the question asks you 6 liters of syrup, right?
Yeah.
So the 6, where do you write the 6? Do you write the 6 here or you write the 6 here? Where do you write the 6? Below the 2 syrup or you below the 5 water in this case? 6 liters or what?
Syrup. So put a syrup there.
Put the 6 under which one?
Syrup.
Which is under
2.
Yes. So basically the question is asking for question mark below 5. In fact, you can see the question is asking for how much what?
Liters of syrup. How much water does he need to mix with 6 liters?
No, how much what? The question is asking what?
How much water?
Loud and clear.
How much water is needed?
Yes. So that means question mark under?
Question mark under the water there.
Okay, which is under?
5.
Very good. So that's why you can see that, oh, this 2 to 6 is times 3. So 5 times 3 is equal to what? So that's why you get 15. So that's why the 15 is correct. So similarly, it says this is what? Syrup mix. Okay. This is what? This is already syrup mix. Can you see?
Yeah.
This is a syrup mix already. This is a syrup mix. This is not syrup. Can you see the difference? This is syrup mix. This is syrup. So 2 to 5. This is syrup. This is water. But this is what? This 17.5 is what? This 17.5 is what? Answer my question.
The syrup mix.
Yeah. So syrup mix means you put the 17.5 under? You put it under what? Which one?
Syrup.
Okay, so my question to you is syrup mix and syrup, are they the same?
No.
And what's the meaning of syrup mix in English? What is syrup mix?
The syrup mixture.
So syrup mix means syrup plus the
water.
Yes. So you need to do what you need to do. So syrup mix means syrup plus water. So what you need to do?
Add the syrup and water.
Yeah, which is
7.
Yes. So syrup mix is 2 plus 5 is 7. So now you have the syrup mix already. Okay?
Yeah.
So syrup mix 7 is 2, 17.5. Okay? Understand or not?
Mm-hmm.
So water is how much?
$5.
Yes. So 5 is how much? That's what they want.
Can
you figure it out now?
Yeah, I'm doing. Divide by 7/5.
快点.
12.5.
对了 ，OK。 So over here, you need to be very careful. This is syrup mix. Syrup mix is 7. Water is 5. Then what if they ask you for syrup? How do you do? You change the 5 to 2. Because if they ask for syrup is 2, right? Sorry. 对吧?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. This question. Subtract 4 from A. You're not going to get this wrong, the order. Which one start first?
A.
Why start from A?
Because from.
Very good. Okay, there's a question here which I think you are wrong. Strictly speaking. Do you know why you are wrong here? Part 2. Why you are wrong?
A divided by 6.
A plus what B. Is wrong?
The bracket is not there.
Which bracket?
The A plus B, that one.
Why you need a bracket?
Because it's sum of.
Why you need a bracket?
Because it's sum of.
Very good. When are you going to write the bracket?
Every day.
Hey, can I ask you, do you have other revision materials other than this one? You just answer my question. You don't go and flip.
I have one angle. I have one sum.
Okay, never mind. Then we finish this first. Okay, good. This question. Why you times 3?
Because you replace the T with the 3.
Why?
Because they want you to find the rental fee, and then they said.
I mean, why replace the T with 3? Why not replace the T with 5?
Because they say she rented a bicycle for 3 hours, not 5 hours.
Very good. So what the question here wants you to do is, over here it says the T here actually refer to hours. The T here actually is hours. So since 3 hours, so that's why you replace by 3. So if over here you replace by 5 hours, you replace by 5. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next. So
this one is not tested. Time is not tested.
Then 这里
Yeah, this is tested because this one is graph.
Okay, good. This is what? So this is you need to read the chart first, right?
Yeah.
这是50，这是75. Okay, good. Okay, good. This is a line chart, right? So in which year was there a highest number of watches? So which year? 2002. Okay, very good. So which is the number of watches sold from 2000 to 2007? From 2000 to 2007. 错了. They asked for the total. What you are finding here is what? What you are finding here actually? 60 minus 50. What you are finding? What's the meaning of 60 minus 50? What's the meaning of that?
The number of watches sold. Difference.
Yes, you are finding difference. But the question wants?
The question wants the total.
How do you get total?
Total is plus.
Yes. So that's why you're wrong. They don't want the difference. They want plus. I mean, they want add up. How do you add up?
60 plus 50.
为什么 60 plus 50?
2000 to 60 plus 50 plus 75 plus
you add up all of them.
Yeah.
So why you make this mistake 10? Where's the more?
I never read properly.
So tomorrow This is C times C times C. How many C here?
3.
So what's the answer?
3C.
3C?
C3.
Is that the way you write? Is that the way you read C3?
C square. C cube. Sorry.
C to the power of 2.
No, C to the power of 3.
You better read properly. Over here, the total is you need to add all this up. Okay, once you add all this up, then they say what? Especially the number of watches sold in 2005. Where is 2005? 2005 is 55. So that's what. This question is the same one. You see, they want the percentage of the total. Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see this question is similar to the question we started off?
Yeah.
Percentage of total. What's the formula?
Final.
I ask you percentage of total.
Something.
Something.
The total times 100%.
Yes. In this case, the something is the 2005. 2005 is 55. So I change this to 55. How do you get the total? You add them up. Then you times the 100%. So far so good? Okay. So just now you almost say final. What is that? Just now you say final. So what is that? What is that formula?
What is the percentage decrease, percent increase?
Decrease or increase, right?
Yeah.
So it's percentage increase or decrease. How do you know whether it's increase or decrease?
They will say.
Okay. So what's the formula?
Final minus initial. Over initial.
Times
100%.
Okay. So that's for percentage increase or percentage decrease. Actually, if the answer, right, let's say the answer here is positive, is increase. If the answer here is negative, is decrease. So that's how you tell. 可以吗?
Yeah.
Next. 这题 circle shows the radius. Okay, good. Find its area. 为什么你拿 3.141?
Because they never give the radius.
If they never give you,
I mean they never give the pi.
If they never give it to you, how do you decide?
Because our teacher calls us to use this one.
Okay. Yep. Okay. Next. Okay, write down the formula first. You're not supposed to write this. You need to write down the formula first. You're supposed to write down the formula first. Pi r squared for area, right? 这题
Yeah.
Draw all the lines of symmetry on the part 2. 这题在哪里来的?
This one I think because like the teacher Bin wrongly, she did say the printer was being a bit.
Never mind. This one is.
So it's rotational symmetry thing.
Do you need to do line of symmetry?
Yeah, need.
Oh, then if you need, I think you are wrong here because I think I see a few line of symmetry. So one of them is this side, and another one I think is here. I'm not sure. This one also can be one. Then this one also can be one. That means there are 3 lines of symmetry.
Oh.
You have drawn only one. You only drawn this one. You miss out the other 2. Understand?
Because I look at the line is a bit slanted, that's why I never.
But I think you are supposed to draw the other 3. Just something like this. If they give you this figure,
yeah.
If they give you this figure, right? Let's say it's a square. So if they ask you to draw the line of symmetry, okay, if they ask you to draw a line of symmetry, what you need to do? You need to draw all the lines of symmetry. Okay, 1, One here.
Yeah.
Then another one horizontally. Right?
Yeah.
Any more? Diagonal. Any more?
The other diagonal line.
Yes. So you need to draw all the line of symmetry. Understand or not?
Yeah.
So basically you can rotate to see it. So what I'm trying to say is, let's say just now the question, you need to rotate this question to see it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You don't rotate it, you cannot see it properly. So let me just, you can actually, if you have the paper, right, you turn your paper, you will see one. Can you see? So you need to rotate to see. Understand or not? So once you rotate, you can see there is here. Okay. Then of course you rotate again, no? Can you see or not? Then you rotate.
Yeah.
So you have three lines of symmetry. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Find the area of the triangle. Yes. How do you find the area of triangle? Write down the formula first. Shermaine, I cannot emphasize again. You need to write down the formula first. Always formula first. You understand?
Okay. Yeah.
What's the formula?
Half times base times height.
Very good. So now, let me give you another question. What's the area for this one?
Half times base times height.
Which is?
Half times that. I don't have the height.
Very good. Why do you don't have the height?
Because the 12 cm isn't the height.
Why not?
It's slanted.
Very good. Why slanted cannot be your height?
Because it's not straight.
Yes. So what I'm trying to say is, you remember that example I will show you. I asked you to stand up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I asked you to slant yourself. Is that your height or not?
No.
No. Yeah. So you cannot. So what you need to do is you need to measure the height.
Find the height.
Yeah. Find the height first.
Yeah.
Here, right? So you go and measure this height. So once you measure the height, then you have the height. Okay. Next. Oh, 这里是什么? Pie chart. Okay, good. Okay. Let me just take the question out.
Okay.
Okay, they say the pie chart below shows the percentage of top 5 duty-free purchases. So you have what? You have clothes, you have chocolate, then you have electronic, you have luxury, you have perfume, then you have liquor. Okay, good. And the amount of liquor and tobacco purchased is twice the amount of the luxury brand. So that means this is luxury brand, this is liquor and tobacco. Okay. So find the percentage of luxury brand purchases. Where do you get all these percentage from? Or where do you get all the angles from? 119 degree, this one, where do you get it from?
Straight line thing.
No. I'm asking this 119 degree, and then this percentage is who gives you? Is it given by the question or what?
No.
Or you go and measure? Do you need to measure yourself?
No, I did the formula, the working exercise.
I cannot catch.
I did the working on how I got the percentage on the side.
Okay, I want to ask, 32% is given by the question, am I right? And Charmaine, I asked you to use what color?
Blue.
Then what I'm seeing here?
Black.
What I'm seeing here then?
I'm using black ink.
Yeah. Okay, can you quickly take a picture using your phone and WhatsApp me the real question? Okay, I cannot read this now. Can you do it now?
I can try.
Wow, okay, okay, we go for a 5-minute break. When you are back, I want you to send me this question, WhatsApp, and I want you to get you have another piece of revision materials, right?
Yeah.
Can you get that ready as well? Meaning, can you PDF that one? Just send it over as well.
Okay.
5 minutes, huh? Okay, good.
Okay.
See you in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I sent already.
To my?
Your Gmail.
Okay, hold on. Maybe it's still on the way. You send what to my Gmail?
The revision material and
Oh, never mind, you share your screen, you go to your Gmail and share your screen. You go to your Gmail and share your screen. I stopped sharing it.
Okay. Just find where I sent it to. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, I can read this one already. Hold on, stop. Don't move. Yeah, don't move. I take a screenshot. Give me a second. I'm going to save the previous work first. Okay, don't move. Let me take a screenshot. Yeah, stop sharing, please.
Okay. Okay.
Let me share. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, over here, right? Actually, they already give it to you. It's very clear cut. Okay. Over here, it says this is 8%. This is 9%. This is 32%. Okay. And over here, they also tell you this one is 2 times this one. So let's say this is U, this is 2U, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is 2U. Okay. So number one thing, can I ask you how much percent you start with? Look at the screen.
$100.
Yes.
HR, yeah, 100.
100%. Ask you for percent. Degree is
260
degree. Good. Okay. So you differentiate the two. So you have 100% start. So now branch out. 8% is to what? 8% is for chocolate.
Chocolate, yeah.
9% is for electronic. 32% is for
32% is for product, perfume and cosmetic.
Perfume and cosmetic, P&C. Now, how many percent is left? Can you tell me how many percent left?
100 minus 8 minus 9. 51.
51% left. Okay, now comes the part. This 51% is for what? This 51%
for the luxury goods.
For the luxury good and the
liquor.
Very good. Okay, so I'm going to take the 51% out, the branch out. I'm going to take this out, this bunch out, because this is where I want to focus my attention to. Okay, so 51% and then a liquor. So can I ask you a question? Just now we say luxury good is U, right? Can you see?
Yeah.
Luxury good is U. This is 2U, right? For liquor, it's 2U. So 51% is how many U?
Three?
Yes. So that means 3U is 51%. Okay?
Yeah.
So luxury is how many U? Luxury is how many U?
1.
So 1U is how much percent? How do you do? How do you get 3U?
Divide by 3.
Yes. So 51% also divided by 3.
17%.
70%. Do you get 17% for Lux? Let me see. Do you get 17% for Lux? And then for 14 and 34%?
No, I did not. No, I did not.
Wrong. Wrong. Okay. So that's how you do it. So if luxury U is 17%, so 2U is how much? So 17% is U, 2U is 34%. So this one is Lux, this one is liquor. Okay?
Okay.
So far so good?
Mm.
This is the way to do. Okay?
Okay.
So once you get this, then like you say, then you have to draw the so what I say, find the percentage of the luxury brands purchases. You see percentage again. How do you find percentage?
Something over total.
Something over total. The total here is how much?
100%.
No, actually there is an answer already. You don't need luxury good. Which one is luxury good? Here's the Lux. This is the answer. 17%. Okay. So they say the total, can you see total purchase is 59800. They want to find electronic. What's the percentage for electronic? 9%, right?
Yeah.
So 100% is, so this 98000 is 100%. So you want to find 9% is how much? Did you get this correct?
No, I don't think so.
对啊，这个你对啊。Wait, 9% 是这么多吗？ You want to double check or not?
No, that one is wrong.
No, you double check. I ask you double check. Your this proportionality is correct. The way you do proportionality is correct, but I just want you double check this. From 98000 times the 9/100, is it 88200? Can you quickly go? Use your calculator quick. The method is correct. For part B.
88200.
对, then your answer is correct for this. Okay, so now let me change this question. (90°) is, this one is mathematics, Chinese, English, science, Cannot.
Mm.
Maybe I should do the other one. Okay, good. So now I say students, number of students who take Chinese is 2 times that of English. So how do you do this question? So how do you find the percentage here? I mean, how do you find the degree here? Based on this question.
Is that a straight line or is that not a straight line?
Not a straight line, not a straight line.
Okay. 100%.
Wait, I asked you for degree. I'm not asking you for percentage.
360 degree.
Yeah, so you start with 360 degree. And then you already branch out to 90 degree, right? Can you see?
Yeah.
90 degree for what? Math. Right? Right? Right.
Yeah.
Then how? What's next? What's next? What's next?
90 degree.
You draw these branches to find out what?
English and Chinese.
Huh?
English and Chinese.
Yeah, okay, then what's the next step?
Then we need to.
Huh? What's this branch for? You draw the branch is to find out what?
English and Chinese.
No, before English and Chinese, you need to find out something first. You cannot just quickly find out English and Chinese. You need to find out what first. Just now, you have 100%. Why just now we take 100%? Because they give us the percentage. They give us the percentage.
Yeah.
Before we can find the lux and the liquor, we need to find what first?
The left.
Yes. So similarly, over here, you have 360 degree, which is the total. 90 degree is for the mathematics. So you need to find out what is the
left.
Yes. How do you find left?
Minus.
你在做什么 then?
$270.
Very good. And what this statement says, 这个 statement 在写什么? What this statement mean? Which one is you? Which one is 2U? Which one is you?
Chinese is 2U.
Chinese is 2U.
English is 1U.
Okay, good. So this 270% is you branch out for Chinese and then English, right?
Yeah.
So Chinese is 2U because of this statement. English is U. So how do you continue? How do you continue? So what's the degree here? What's the degree here?
We need to find the degree.
Yeah, how?
Proportionality.
Yes, how, right? 270 is how many U?
3.
Why?
Total up together.
Total which one?
2U and 1U.
Very good. So this is 3U. So if you want to find Chinese, which is 2U, how do you get it?
You
put
the Chinese.
You want me to find an answer for you, or you should be doing it now?
No, I'm doing it. One, 3, 5 degrees.
135. 135?
135 degrees.
Are you sure or not?
Let me check again. It's 180. It's 180.
So this is 180. 1U is how much?
One U is 90.
Somehow. Good. Then after that, you just give it to them. Okay? Wow.
Yeah.
I'm going to give you this question. You do it on a piece of paper, quick. How do you do this question? Go. Use the branch method. So basically, what you always do is you start with the branch. Okay. Find out the left. Then the left, you need a second branch. Understand?
Yeah.
So for this, draw the branch, find out the left, then from the left, you branch out again. I'll give you 5 minutes. Hey Siri, set a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, counting down.
I still haven't received your this thing.
I sent already though.
You use which one to send? You send to which email?
Gmail.
没有收到. You send to my Humble House, can?
Okay.
You send to my humble house lah. Come on.
Oh.
Never mind, I receive it already. I'll look at it now. Never mind, you continue. You continue this question first.
Okay.
Once you finish the branch, you show me the branch first.
Okay.
Send it over WhatsApp, please. Let me check your branch.
Okay.
好，等下。Okay, very good. Looks good. But I think you are still wrong. Because your branch is okay. Your branch is anyhow. You know why I say your branch is wrong?
What?
I don't see a second branch there. Give me a moment. I'm going to show you this. I asked you to do a second branch. Where is your second branch? Jermaine. What did I say just now? I asked you to draw the branch, right?
Yeah.
So your branch you start with 360 degree. So English is 90 degree. Right? I asked you to find the left over 270, right?
Yeah.
And after the 270, I asked you to branch out, right? From the 270. Where is this rubbish? What is this rubbish? You show me this rubbish for what? Who teach you this way? What did I teach you? What did I teach you?
Draw a second branch.
Huh? What did I teach you? Are you supposed to write all this rubbish here?
Draw a second branch.
Yes. Branch out from the 270. 这里. Okay? Math, Chinese, then whatever science. And of course, you write the U beside it. Okay, you continue from here, yeah? Yep. Continue, and then after that, tell me what is the degree for the rest.
Math is 135 degrees.
Yeah, 来继续.
Chinese is 90 degrees.
Yep.
Science is 45 degrees.
Nice. I'm going to send this to your WhatsApp so that I can also get it. Okay. I'm opening your PDF. I mean the second revision material. Can you see a second revision material now? Can you see now?
I can.
Okay, good. So just measure this. Okay, so 140. Reflex. They want the reflex, so you need to minus off. Yes. Okay. So if this is 71, where's your degree sign? Okay, it's there. Okay. And this one, 26. 为什么这个是 26? Why? Which rule?
Opposite angle.
Very good. Then why your y is 26 also? 为什么你的 y 也是 26? Why 26?
Alternate angle.
Where is the alternate angle? You don't anyhow say.
The Z.
Okay, the Z, right?
There's a Z there.
这里 right?
Yeah.
是吗?
Yeah.
If you don't use the Z, you can use the F. Can you see the F or not? You don't, where is the F? The F is here. Can you see the F?
Yeah.
This one. Okay. 这题 a bag of sweet shed. Okay, 235. Okay, receive 75. So that means 75 is the 这个 middle one. Very good. So you just use the proportionality method. Okay. So calculate the total number of sweet that were shared. Total means you add them up. When you see the word total, what you mean? Add up. Right? Can I ask you?
Yeah.
I want to add one more question here. Let me get this out. What if they ask you percentage of Perry? Okay, what is the percentage of total Perry has? How do you do this question? What's the formula?
Perry.
Yeah? Percentage of total Perry has. What's the formula?
Something over the total times 100%.
What's the something here in this case?
The 75.
Why 75? What's the name here?
Because the total number of.
What's the name here?
Perry.
Perry. What's Perry?
Perry is 5.
Perry is 5?
Perry
Perry only have 5?
125. 1.
What's the total?
250.
That's the answer. Next. Tells you 14. What's the ratio to the simplest form? 6 to 7. Okay. So 65 is shared between in the ratio of the ages. What rubbish is this? 65 is shared between in the ratio of the ages. So 65 is how much? How many unit is 65? This is the ratio.
Six.
Huh?
6.
65 is shared between these two persons.
Oh. 13.
Yes. So 13 is 65. What they want? Which one they want? They want Denzel, right?
Yeah.
Denzel is what?
Denzel is
what?
12.
Huh?
Yes.
Denzel is 12 years old, but Denzel is what? Unique.
6.
Okay. You always make this problem. You always make this mistake. Good. So going forward, not going forward, tomorrow, in order not to make this mistake, I want you to write down everything very clearly. You are very confused because of the way you write things. Are you clear? What did I say?
Okay.
What did I say?
You should write things clearly because I'm very confused about the way I.
Yes. Okay. So number one, what I want you to write is you write 12 to 14. So please write down this is for age. Okay. 12 to 14 is the age. Can you see? It's the age. Okay. So who is 12? D is 12. Martin is 14, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And then next, when you get this 6 to 7, what is this 6 to 7? This is the ratio. Right? So write it in front. Okay? And now, 65. This is dollars. You write down the dollar sign. It's 13. This 13 is what? This 13 is the ratio or the age? How do you get the 13 from just now?
Adding up the unit.
Add up which one? The age or the ratio?
The ratio.
Okay, good. So you write down, this is ratio. 13. So now they ask, then Denzel. So Denzel, you should write 6 or you write 12. Which one?
6.
Why 6?
Because it's the unit.
Correct. Or rather, because this is the ratio, right? The 13 is the ratio, right?
Yeah.
So under here, Daniel ratio is which one? Daniel ratio is the 6. That's why you choose 6.
6.
Does it make sense now?
Yes.
So if you don't write it down, you're going to get confused. Or you might have just write 12 here. Are you supposed to write 12 here?
No.
Why not?
Because it's not the unit.
12 is what?
It's the age.
Correct. So 12 is the age. So under ratio, can you write age or not? Cannot.
No.
Understand?
Yeah.
So what if I tell you this is 65 is 26? This is age. Yeah, from here, 12 plus 14. So I want to find Martin. So I want to find Martin instead of Denzel. I want to find Martin. So what you write here? Which one you choose for Martin?
7.
7. So this is what? What is this? $26 is the what?
$36 is the age.
Age, yeah. So from this, you should choose the age or you should choose the ratio.
The ratio.
Huh? This is the age. 26 is the age or the ratio?
26 is the age.
Then you should choose the age or you should choose the ratio for Martin.
The age?
Yes. Why? Because this one is for age. So what is Martin's age? What's Martin's age?
26.
Martin's age is 26?
Yeah.
You read the question. You read the question.
14.
Yes. So what I'm trying to say is you need to be very clear whether you should choose the unit rate. Okay, in fact, you are not supposed to say unit, whether you should choose the ratio or you should choose the age. That's why I asked you to write down age is 12 to 14. This is for Denzel, this is for Martin. Ratio is 6 to 7. So which one is age, which one is ratio? Tell me.
6 to 7 is ratio.
Then?
12 to 14 is age.
Very good. So now, I just anyhow writing $65 is to 26. So I want to find Martin. So Martin, you should write what here? What you should write here? I want to find Martin. What you should fill up here? The question mark.
7.
Why 7?
Because it's the unit.
26 is what?
The age.
26 is from the age or from the ratio?
Age.
If 26 is from the age, should you choose from the age or should you choose from the ratio?
Age.
Hello. You say 26 is from?
Age.
Age. So are you supposed to choose it from the age or you are supposed to choose it from the ratio?
Age.
Yes. So what you are supposed to fill in? Question mark.
This is 12.
12. I want to find Martin. Martin.
14.
Then you just do the proportionality thing. Okay. One more. Just random question. I want to find me. What do you put here? Question mark. Where do you get the 36 from?
$36 is age.
So your attention is focused on
Age.
yes. So me. So what you are supposed to fill in the question mark? You choose?
26.
Very good. Again. So if I change this, 18. Where do you get the 18 from?
Is ratio.
Very good. So I want to find me. What you're supposed to write here?
13?
Yes. That's how you decide. So just now the question is $65 is just now the ratio is 6 to 7. Just now the ratio is 6 to 7. This is 10. This is Martin. And then they say $65 is 13. So I want to find Daniel. So what you're supposed to write here under 13?
What?
Well, you're supposed to replace the question mark here.
Six.
Why 6?
Because this one is ratio.
Yes. The 13 is from the ratio. That's why I read the ratio. Okay. And they want Daniel. Under Daniel is 6. That's why I choose 6. So you just find out how much is this. Then of course you use the proportionality. The thing. Can or not?
Yeah.
Good. Side Okay, percentage. Okay, good. You once again you are wrong. Here you need to put the percentage here. The working, you always miss out the percentage. You don't need to write the percentage here because you have a percentage here already. That's why you don't need to write. But the working here you need to write.
But my teacher say when you're doing the working, you need to put percentage.
No, working is working. You don't talk rubbish. What I'm trying to say is this. 180 minus 20, you need to write 160 degree. Okay? You cannot write, 180 minus 20. So let's say the answer, they already give you the degree. Okay? You still need to write 180 minus 20 degree equals to 160 degree. And then only when you write here, you just write 160. You understand or not?
Yeah.
You know why you write 160 here, but your answer is actually 160 during the working? You know why? Why?
Why?
I say your working is 160 degree here. Then how come your answer is only 160?
Because they got give the degree sign.
Correct. So just now what you say is, you say you can choose not to write the degree here. Is this correct or not? Is this correct?
No.
Wrong. Why wrong? What's the difference between 160 versus 160 degree? What's the difference?
160 is number.
Yes. Then 160 degrees?
Angle.
Yes. This is a number. This is for angle. Can you see the huge difference?
Yeah.
So that's why just now I say when you do, let's say 10.2 times 100%, you are supposed to write down the percentage as well during the working. Understand or not?
Yeah.
Good. 这里 percent. Now, once again, how do you go percent to decimal? Divide by 100. So 2.68 对。这个 75% of 这个对。Okay. Then express 60 cents as a percentage of these two. So this one you need to use proportionality lah. Come on. Wrong. Okay, I'm not sure whether your answer is wrong, but your method is wrong. This is proportionality, right? Hello.
Yeah.
So change the $2.40 to same unit because they are asking for cents, right? So 240, you change it to cent first. So it's 24 or 2.4. I'm so sorry. So it's 240 cents. So now 240 cents is 100%. 60 cents is how much? Okay, so 60 cents is That's what you do. You divide by 4. So you divide by 4 here. It's 25% correct. Your answer is correct, but actually you should use proportionality.
Oh,
Okay? Or can I ask you, percentage? How do you find percentage? What's the formula? Once again.
Something over total.
Okay, what's the something
100%.
here? What's the something here? In this question, what's the something here? You just read the question lah.
60.
Yes.
Cent.
Yes. What's the total?
240.
Yes. So which method you are using here? What's this method? You are using the total? Oh no, you are using the something over the total method times 100%. But this is method 1, which is something over total times 100%. This is method 2. What is method 2? Proportionality. Okay, both ways can work. So the price of a packed chocolate is decreased from this. Then what's the percent decrease? What are you doing here? What rubbish is this? What did I say? What's the formula? What's this? What is this? What the question is asking? Quick, 不要浪费我时间.
Percentage decrease.
What's the formula?
Final minus initial.
What's the final
over
here?
Initial.
What's the final here?
350.
What's the initial?
$4.
If you punch your calculator, can you punch your calculator? When are you going to use my method? That's why I said you do rubbish here.
350%.
什么?
350%.
Cannot be. You better recalculate. You look at the screen. You look at the screen. It's final minus initial divided by initial times 100%.
Yeah. That's what I got.
你再一次. What's the answer?
Negative 12.5.
Very good. 再来一次. Read it out. Negative.
12.5.
什么？再来一次.
12.5.
12.5% or 12.5?
12.5%. Negative 12.5%.
They ask for the percentage decrease. So are you supposed to write 12 minus 12.5 or you need to write 12.5? Which one? Which one you write?
12.5.
为什么? Why not negative 12.5?
Because cannot have negative.
So the answer is?
12.5%.
How do you find percentage decrease?
Final minus initial over initial times 100%.
How do you find percentage increase?
Final minus initial over initial times 100%.
Then can you tell me what this rubbish is? What is this? What is this?
Not the correct formula.
Not correct formula. I don't even know what you are doing here. Percentage increase. What is your formula?
Final minus initial over initial times 100%.
Are you going to use the formula tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay, 很好. Part B. What rubbish you are showing me? How do you do this question?
The discount original.
Then why you show me this rubbish? Why? 你看你这题又错。Can you do it my way for B quickly on the paper? Now. I don't want you to show me all this rubbish. Okay, if you tomorrow the paper 2, if you come back and you show me this kind of rubbish, the discount and then the GST or the service charge, if you show me this kind of rubbish, and then if you show me percentage increase, decrease, you show me this kind of rubbish tomorrow on your paper 2, okay, you will get it from me and from your mom. I'm going to ask your mom to do whatever your mom needs to do, because clearly you don't listen at all. Are you going to show me rubbish tomorrow?
No.
Then what are you going to show?
Proper working.
What proper working you're talking about? Your working or my working or your teacher working? Which one?
You're working.
You better remember what you promised me today. This video is recorded. So tomorrow, if you do something funny your own way, you will get it from us when you collect your newspaper too. What's the answer? 快点，不要浪费时间。What's the answer? 快点，快点。好了吗？
There's a lot of decimals, so
you show me, you take a picture and WhatsApp me quick. I want to see original. I want to see the 7% GST. I want to see the final price. You take a picture and send now, quick.
There's a lot of decimal.
No, I asked you to do it on a piece of paper, right?
Yeah, but
proper working. You WhatsApp this working to me. What decimal you are talking about? I want to see what decimal you are talking about. Have you sent me?
Wait for a while. Yeah, I sent already.
You look at your rubbish. GST you add or minus? You look. GST is you add or minus? Answer my question. Add or minus?
Add.
What have you done?
Minus.
Then what have you done? When do you minus? When do you plus?
Minus is discount.
Then why you minus in this case? Service charge, you add or minus? Answer my question first. So can you redo this question? What is the money? What is the answer now?
21.
Why 21? How do you get 21?
Proportionality.
Very good. Discount, add or minus?
Minus.
GST?
Add.
Service charge?
Add.
Very good. Can you quickly redo your list? Last question. Just now we just talked about it, the one significant figure. Which one is wrong? Tell me straight away. You better sit properly and you better answer my question properly.
The 39, that one.
Which one is wrong? So you need to change it to
40.
Very good. So what's the answer?
80.
That's it. So you better go back and watch this video so that you will not get. Are you going to show me this rubbish tomorrow?
No.
What you are going to do?
Show proper working.
什麼?
Show proper working.
Who's proper working?
Yours.
GST plus minus.
Just these plus.
Okay. Percentage decrease. What's the formula?
Final minus initial over initial.
Very good. How do you find average?
Total number of items.
Yes.
Total.
Yes. How do you find total?
Add.
Yes. Add all up. You remember the table?
Yeah, don't add from the table.
Don't add from the table, yes. Okay, so after, I think you can go back and watch this video, and then you should be able to know how to do tomorrow's paper. Okay, the one I want you to rewatch. The one I want you to rewatch is this one. You need to really rewatch this video, especially this question. Can you see this question?
Yeah.
The pie chart one. You always need you if in this case it's percentage. Can you see its percentage here?
Yeah.
So you start with 100%. Okay. You start with 100%, and then of course okay. So this question is, so if the question gives you degree, can you see degree here?
Yeah.
So you start with degree and then you find the left. Once you find the left, then you do a second branch. Are you clear?
Yeah.
If they give you percentage, you start with how many percent?
100.
Yes. Then after that, you find the left. After that, the left. Then you go and branch out again. Clear or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Then there is a formula here. It's always something over the total. Okay, to find fraction or the percentage. Okay, so far so good.
Yeah.
So go back and watch this video. So tomorrow you will not make mistake. 可以吧?
Okay.
Okay. So any other question for me?
No.
Okay, good. Today is what? Today is Thursday. So tomorrow I will upload the work. So I will see you on Saturday. Please use your Chromebook to do and then send to my Gmail.
Yeah.
Okay. Can? Any other question for me before I end the lesson?
No.
Okay. Go back, watch this YouTube video. I should be able to upload it in 2 hours. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.